Hi guys, welcome to Cooking with Curtis. I'm Curtis, your cook. Today, how to boil an egg in the microwave. Now the microwave has to be one of the greatest inventions on par with the pogo stick and microwavable popcorn. Now there isn't a household or Chinese restaurant that doesn't utilize one of these bad boys, and today, without any cutting or editing, I'm going to show you how to boil an egg in there. Now it's pretty easy. All you need is to boil some water, grab an egg, chuck it in a mug, cover it with said boiling water, and then chuck it in the microwave for a minute. Now there's been great debate on what came first, the chicken or the egg. Now I don't know about you guys, but I find it pretty hard to make an egg come. Maybe I should have just fast forwarded this part. Only 42 seconds to go, let's just...
Keep fast forwarding, keep skipping, just keep skipping, keep skipping. 20 seconds to go, just keep skipping. 12 seconds, 10, 9. Should have chucked a racist joke in just to see if anybody actually watched this part. And there we go.
take the egg out. It's gonna be pretty fucking hot. And there you have it. A perfectly boiled egg. Now I just want to thank everybody for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and it would be very much appreciated. Now that most people have fucked off, please don't do this. I pre-boiled that egg and the microwave was set to like defrost or something. It will explode in there, but I just want to see how many people actually watch the whole video. Cheers for watching, guys.